Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to turn on and off vanish mode on Instagram. Firstly, go to Instagram. Then tap on the messages icon to the top right corner. Go to the chat that has vanish mode turned on. You actually swipe up from the bottom to exit vanish mode. As I do from the bottom up, you can see it has exited vanish mode. If you again swipe up from the bottom, then it will be on the vanish mode. I hope after watching this video you know how to turn on and off vanish mode on Instagram. Guys, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.